I'm going to replace every single wire and every single hose. I'm not kidding when I said that. It's all going to be done. This is no joke. Every wire. They had so many of these things just cut in so many areas. I mean, I really wanted to use this harness, believe me. But, you know, you got wires cut that are going... I don't like cutting wires. I don't do that shit. That's just... I don't do it. If I absolutely can... Even though this shit was all cut up, I still don't like cutting wires. I wanted to practice on exactly how everything went, so I'll have even more practice when I take all of it out of here. It's a lot of wire. Fucking finger. Look at that fucking finger. It's all fucked up. I fucked this thing up 4 times in the past month. First time I cut the tip off. Second time I slammed my door on this finger. And then, fuck, it's not in focus. But anyway, it's all bloody and shit. Then I fucking... This shit is out, okay? All I need to do is grab it and throw it the fuck out of the car. I'm gonna clean this car really good. I might, you know, just stand right here and masturbate. Fucking, how's that sound, you fucking tire kickers? Just kidding, oh, shit. Yeah, to be continued for sure. This is a fucking microphone? No. Anyway, to be continued. Get that canister assessed and I'll get that shit done, motherfucker. Grand finale.